Are you or someone you know coming to Silver Dollar City here in Branson, Missouri? Would you like to know how to get free or discounted tickets, free parking, free drinks and discounts on food, the best time to come, what to wear, and a whole lot more? Well, that's what I'm going to share with you today. Welcome to Have Fun, Let's Travel. I'm Jeremy. My family's been coming here for over 30 years, and for 5 of those years, I actually worked here in the entertainment department on the park. During this time, we've learned all kinds of ways to save time and money, and in this series of short videos, I'm going to explain to you how you can get the biggest bang for your buck without breaking the bank. But before we get started, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. This way YouTube will share this video with more people and it'll help them save time and money too. Have you ever been here? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Now, to start learning these time and money saving tips, tricks, and hacks, click on this video here. Thanks for watching. Tell a friend.